Success in trading demands a specific mindset and attitude that blends discipline, resilience, and a constant willingness to learn. Here's a closer look at the key elements. Discipline. Successful traders develop a comprehensive trading plan and adhere to it. They don't deviate based on impulses or market noise. Establishing a routine helps maintain focus and consistency. This includes regular market analysis, journaling trades, and reviewing strategies. Patience. It's crucial to wait for high-probability trade setups rather than forcing trades. Patience helps in avoiding unnecessary risks. Understanding that trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Short-term losses are part of the journey to long-term success. Adaptability. Markets are always changing. Being flexible and willing to adapt strategies to different market conditions is vital. Staying informed and continuously improving through education and practice. Resilience. Accepting that losses are an inevitable part of trading. Successful traders view losses as learning opportunities and move on without being emotionally affected. Maintaining a calm and composed attitude, regardless of market volatility. Avoiding emotional responses such as fear or greed. Confidence. Having confidence in your research and strategies helps in making informed decisions without second-guessing. Believe in your ability to succeed, even in the face of challenges. This confidence comes from experience and thorough preparation. Risk awareness. Prioritizing risk management to protect trading capital. This includes setting stop losses and knowing when to exit trades, balancing risk and reward by not being overly aggressive or overly cautious. Humility. Recognizing and learning from mistakes without letting ego get in the way. Successful traders remain grounded and do not let a string of wins lead to overconfidence or complacency. Adopting and cultivating these mindset traits can significantly enhance a trader's ability to navigate the complexities of the markets and achieve long-term success. Every trader's journey is unique, but these foundational principles apply universally.